Hi, I'm Ray. Well, today I've got a camellia and I'm going to show you how to plant it in a container. Well, we've got here Camellia Lady Campbell, and it's a lovely pink flower, and it's red flowers early in spring, reliable and tree flowering. Beautiful hardy evergreen shrub, grows to 1.5 meters, 5 foot high and wide. So I love this time of year when you can see the camellias come out. I'm hoping to get to Exbury in the next few days and see their camellias and the rhododendrons. But I'm going to pop this one up into a container. It's got lovely loads of buds, but waiting to burst into lovely colour. So it comes in this container, and it's quite small. We're going to pot it up into a bigger container. So I've got this nice blue container that matches a lot of the containers in the garden, but we have to make sure it's got some drainage. It's got a hole in the bottom. We need some good drainage for the camellia, so I'm just going to put a bit of crock in over the top of the hole, and then we're going to get some compost. And this compost is a azalea and camellia compost, and it's compost with a bit of cocoa coir and a bit of mulch in there. So I'm just going to add a couple of handfuls in the bottom of the pot, and then I'm going to add a handful of fertilizer, slow release fertilizer, just in the bottom. Then we can have a look at our plant, have a look at the roots. As we can see, we've got nice healthy roots, nice and damp. It's looking really good. So just to go a bit more yet, a couple more handfuls of compost. And we're not going taller than the original pot. There we go. Then we can add our plant into the pot. I'm going to add some more of the compost around the edge. Firming it down. There we go, looking good. And I'm just going to add a couple more handfuls of slowly release fertilizer around the outside, a couple more scoops of the compost, and we're going to go and get some mulch. There we go, we've got some mulch. We're just going to plant that around the top. And we're going to give it a good water. And there we go, look forward to some lovely colours. One just up, give it a water. Now this is ready to sit in the garden or on the patio. We look forward to some of these lovely pink camellias. So let me know in the comments if you've got any camellias growing. They are really nice, really enjoy them. And if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. So looking forward to these. Cheers!